Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on your Google Chrome web browser. So whatever time interval you want to go back, whether it's an hour, a day, or all time, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Google Chrome and select the little menu icon up at the top right. It should appear as three dots, and then go down and select where it says delete browsing data. You can also select the Control, Shift, and Delete key on your keyboard as well to open up the next page here. And then specify your time range like I mentioned earlier. And you can select your browsing data, cookies, and site data, as well as cache images and files. Select delete data to confirm, and then you should close out of the browser, relaunch it, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.